Today Vita made a delicious breakfast.
Delicious.
With beans, avocado, nuts, eggs. After a powerful workout in the morning. That's the right power food for me. Who is on my place? Mrs. Lolly. Mrs. Lolly. The time in Sicily living in our Airstream was really awesome. We found really nice spots directly at the seaside where Vita was searching waves and we could go kitesurfing and sailing. By the way, if you want to see our Sicilian sailing adventures, you can see it at thesailingfamily.com. Today we go to the fish market to buy some fish because we will have a nice barbecue in the evening. And the girls are leaving soon to back to Austria.
He's not wearing any shoes.
No problem. This is what Vita likes.
I eat fish and meat. I love.
After the fish market, we visited the old town of Marsala and then we returned to the Airstream. So Vita is preparing a lunch for us and I will ask her now what she's preparing here.
So today I'm gonna do a little eggplant toast. It's new. I really wanted to try it because we found out this year how to do eggplants properly. Because every time when we made eggplants, they tasted really oily and not good. And today I'm gonna do a little toast.
And what's the secret?
So basically, the secret is that you do not use too much oil because the eggplant really soaks the oil in. So you just take a little bit of oil and spread it around the pan and then put your cut eggplant on it and then roast it till they're brown, and then you will realize that they're really soft and they taste amazing. So yeah, so I'm gonna try it on a toast now. So I cut the amazing bread from our local grocery store and there are nuts in it and it's really good. So I'm gonna toast it in the pan and then I'm gonna put the eggplant on it and the tomatoes with the pesto. So this is the final toast.
Very good.
It is?
Good combination.
Das ist mir ganz nicht mehr so geil. It's hard to eat.
Maybe you need a fork to eat it, but it's good. Well, it's finger food.
Amazing.
Today we have some delicious food. Vita prepared it. What did you do?
So this is a burrito bowl. It includes a rice with beans, tomatoes, avocado, some olives. These are eggplants, and this is sweet potato cooked. And afterwards I put it in the pan and with a little
Cooked
bit of
with
salt.
love.
Yeah.
We all can enjoy it now. All these good recipes you will soon find in our Pinkrambutan cookbook. Just have a look at our website pinkrambutan.com. Besides these cooking highlights, we also enjoyed Sicily, doing sport like running or bodyweight training.
Yeah, this is just an awesome morning here in Sicily. We enjoyed a lot being just in the nature.
We also found great spots for the Airstream and had awesome sunrises and sundowns in the nature. But stop, this is not the end of this video. We want to present you another awesome sweet and recipe which will be published in our Pinkrambutan cookbook. Have a look.
Yeah, today we are going to an Italian bar and I want to present you one of the best sweets which they have here. We often eat it for breakfast and it's called iris.
Sì, 3 iris uno con tonno, tu vuoi con tonno? No, uno con tonno, 3 iris.
And now we will have tasted, I think it's the best iris I ever had here in Italy. And now you will see how it looks like.
Grazie.
Iris con crema e iris con ricotta. So we don't like the sugar on it, we give it away. And we will present the recipe in our Pinkrambutan cookbook. We will try to make it as good as this one, which will be really hard because you can eat a lot of these things here in Italy, but this one is really soft. And if you open it, you can see it's like softness. This is pure softness. It's really delicious. Even the cream, it's like a little bit like vanilla cream. It's really good. It's not too sweet. It's similar to a Germknödel. I will present this recipe to him one time in Austria, but it's a little bit with germ. Don't know, it's the English word. Awesome.
Yes, this is the end of this awesome 7-week trip in Italy and Sicily. We have to go home to work again, but we will be back soon. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream adventure during the next month, and see you soon on Pinkrambutan.com.